It's cotton candy cloud.
Hey divas, so as you guys can tell by the title, I'm super excited. We're gonna be trying out these new Fenty Gloss Bomb creams. I have all of them, so if you guys are interested in seeing how they look on me and what I think about them, then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so I am super excited to get into these. Today I have the Fenty Gloss Bomb creams. I went to just pick up my order from Sephora a couple hours ago. I had dinner and then now I am here, okay, so we could try these out because I'm super excited. Please don't mind my hair if it look kind of crazy. I was actually in the middle of filming a tutorial and just trying out this wig, but I was like, I'm just too excited about these glosses or these lip creams, whatever they are. Anyways, I have I believe I have all the colors here. So yeah, I have all of them here. Wanted to try all of them just in case you guys wanted to see. I did take a poll on Instagram and you guys said you want to see some new swatches, and some of you guys messaged me and actually requested these, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go for it. So I'm gonna get into them and I'm going to swatch them from like lightest to darkest because you know sometimes it like stains. I don't know how these do because I've never tried this formula, but I'm just gonna go from lightest to darkest. So let's just go ahead and jump in right into trying out the creams. Oh, so I'm already noticing that it is very opaque and I am like, oh, I'm living. This is so pretty. So this is Fenty Glow and it looks so pretty. I love the fact that I can actually wear this without a liner, but it still looks like very opaque on my lips. Like you could tell that I have like a gloss on my lips that have a little bit of color. Oh yeah, so it feels really good. It still feels like, to me it just feels the same like this formula, which was very good. So and this is the original Fenty Gloss Bomb. It feels very good. It does not feel like sticky or tacky or anything, and that's what I really love. So let's go ahead and move on to the next one. This next one is called Mauve Wifes, and I was really excited about this color. Now typically I do shy away from like a lavender pinkish type of color, but honestly like I feel like they kind of look good. Like ever since I tried my boo Jazzy Baptiste pink gloss in Boys Lie, like I love pink gloss on me, so I was like, oh, I'm gonna give it a try. So yeah, here we are with Mauve Wives and I'm just super excited, and hopefully it looks good on me without liner. Hopefully all of them do. I want to put liner, but I don't know, like I like having the option to not wear liner. Oh, it's pretty, you guys. Yeah, this is not to be worn without a liner or I'll be looking crazy. Can you guys see it? It's pretty actually without a liner, but knowing me, like I would need a liner. So the next one I'm gonna try is called Honey Waffles, and I was really excited to try this one because I was like, oh my gosh, it's like a nude color. Well, it's like a brownish nude type of color, and it's more warm. I don't know how to describe it. I'm not that great at describing like colors all the time, but yeah, so this is what this one looks like, and I'm just super excited to see how this looks on my lips. Okay, so this is very different. Like I've never had a color like this, but I'm not mad at it. But I've never had a lip shade in this color, so I'm glad I got this one. So this is how it looks on my lips. I think it looks so pretty, you guys. Look at that. So the next one I'm going to try is called Cookie Jar, and I was really excited to try this one too because a lot of people were comparing it to hot chocolate, and oh yeah, this is like a very like a warm brown. That's how it looks in the tube. Oh, I live. This is so pretty. Oh wow. Wow. This is so pretty and just, oh my gosh. I love it. It's like the perfect like chocolatey lip color. It's very, very pretty. It's very different for me. Like normally I wouldn't go for this type of warm chocolate color because it is more on the warm side, but it's like a really warm brown. So last but certainly not least, we have Fruit Snacks with a Z. So yeah, we have Fruit Snacks, and this one, to me online, it was looking more of like, and that's how it looks on camera. The lies. Okay, so this to me is more of like a burgundy red, if that makes any sense. And you'll probably be able to see that on my lips because the colors are coming out true to color on my lips, but for some reason in the tube, like even in the tube now, like it looks more red, but I could see that there's like some hints of burgundy in there. So I don't feel like this is like a true red. Like it looks like that, but it's more of like a dark, deep burgundy, wineish, reddish type of situation. Okay. Oh, this is so pigmented. Oh my god, I was not ready. Okay, this is pretty. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's like a more of a deep, yeah, like a deep red. Now what I will say with this one is that you may have to build it up, because to me, like if you just put on like one layer, it just looks kind of like a lip stain. It doesn't really, I don't know, to me it's like, it's not really like as opaque as the other ones, I'll just say that. So if you want this to like really show up, because I don't know if you guys could tell, probably not, but to me it just looked like a lip stain. But I'm gonna build it up just a little bit so it can be like a little deeper. Okay, so now I built it up a little bit, and I feel like this is like the true color that it is. Like, so this is how this one looks. Okay, you guys, so it is now lip combo time. For my liner, I am going to be using MAC Chestnut. So I'm going to go ahead and line my lips, and then I'll come back and I'll be wearing today, I'm sorry, I'm looking down. I'm looking for my my new Gloss Bomb cream. Today I'm going to be pairing MAC's Chestnut with, what is this? Honey Waffles. Ooh, so that is the lip combo I chose to go with. I feel like it's so pretty and it really matches my makeup well, so I'm glad I chose to go with this one because it is so pretty. And I can't wait to wear the other ones too. I'm gonna be wearing them, and I'm definitely gonna do like another real swatch where I don't talk or anything, but I just wanted to come and let you guys know like how I felt about these. And I'm looking crazy because I got on my robe and my hair ain't even all the way together, but I was like, girl, I don't even care. Like, I just want to come and let you guys know how I feel about these gloss bombs. And shout out to the people who requested for swatches and stuff on Instagram. I greatly appreciate it. And if you guys are not following me on Instagram, definitely follow me at Glam Shay. But overall, I really do like these gloss bombs. Like I said, let me see, where are they? If you don't get any of them, or if you want to like just pick like one or two, Fenty Glow or Honey Waffles, because look at how Honey Waffles is looking on me. Like, this is just so pretty. Like, but yeah, divas, that is pretty much it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you fabulous girls did, then definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know which one of these are your favorite, or which ones were your favorite, and are you gonna try them? Let me know. And if you already picked them up, let me know. I want to know what colors you got. Let me be nosy, okay? Like, I want to know what you got too. But yeah, definitely leave me a comment down below. I would love to chat with you divas. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And also hit that notification bell, girl. I do upload quite often, and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. And I'll see you gorgeous girls in my next video. Bye.